Hey everyone, if you're part of a community organization, you know the daily challenge all too well. How do you make a huge impact with, let's be honest, limited time and resources? Well, today we're kicking off a tutorial on a technology that could be a total game changer for that exact problem, generative AI. This series is going to be your practical guide to harnessing its power. And before we jump in, a quick but really important note. This tutorial from Virtualization Options LLC is provided as a public service, to support our communities and the amazing nonprofits that work within them. To make sure everyone can share this material freely, it's being distributed under a Creative Commons CC0 license, which is often called no rights reserved. Basically, this knowledge is free for you to use and share however you see fit. If you want to know more, you can always check out creativecommons.org. So, what's our goal here? It's to give you a truly practical guide. We get it. You're working with tight budgets, small teams, you're stretched thin. This series is going to show you how to use these new accessible AI tools to amplify your impact. And this part is absolutely crucial, to protect the trust that your community has placed in you. We've broken this whole tutorial down into two main parts. The first half, it's all about the opportunity. In chapters 1 through 6, we're going to explore all the exciting, practical ways that AI can help your organization do so much more. This is the, wow, what's possible part. And we're starting right at the beginning. Chapters 1 and 2 are all about building that solid foundation. We'll demystify what generative AI actually is, what it's great for, and just as important, what it can't do. We'll touch on core ethics, and then we'll get hands-on with choosing the right tools and writing your very first effective prompts, so you can start off feeling confident. From there, chapters 3 and 4 dive right into the nitty-gritty of supporting your volunteers and donors. Just think about all the time that goes into recruiting, making schedules, drafting fundraising emails, and writing grant applications. These chapters will give you practical AI strategies to streamline these huge tasks, freeing you up for what really matters, direct engagement with your community. Then, in chapters 5 and 6, we take that power and turn it outward. We'll show you how AI can help streamline things like client intake and even generate helpful resource guides from scratch. We'll even explore how to build out entire social media calendars and event promotions to really boost your services and dramatically expand your reach. Okay, now this is where we pivot, because as the source material puts it so perfectly, with great power comes significant responsibility. This right here is the heart of the matter. Your entire organization is built on a foundation of trust, which brings us to the second, absolutely critical half of this tutorial. Part 2 is all about that responsibility. In chapters 7 through 10, we're going to shift our focus from what AI can do to what you must do to protect your community's data, their privacy, and most importantly, their trust. This isn't an afterthought, it's central to using these tools ethically and effectively. And the cornerstone of that responsibility is understanding something called PII, or personally identifiable information. What's so important to get here is how broad this definition is. It's not just the obvious stuff like names and addresses. It's any piece of information that could be used to pinpoint a specific person. Protecting this data has to be your #1 priority. So how do you actually protect that data when you're using AI? Well, chapters 7 and 8 are here to give you the playbook. We'll cover your legal and ethical duties, and then we'll show you practical techniques like de-identification. You're going to learn how to write prompts that get you the help you need from AI without ever compromising a single piece of sensitive information. And finally, chapters 9 and 10 zoom out to the bigger picture. We'll talk about securing your everyday communications like email, and then we'll tackle the much larger data economy. You'll get an understanding of the whole data broker ecosystem and, more importantly, get real strategies to defend your community's information from being bought and sold out there. So that's the journey. It's a complete, structured learning path designed to take you from being curious about AI to being truly capable with it. Let's take a quick look at the full roadmap all in one place. Here it is, the whole 10-chapter roadmap. You can really see the logical flow we've designed. We start with those foundational skills in 1 and 2, then we immediately apply them to your core work in chapters 3 through 6. And then, starting in chapter 7, we build that essential shield of protection, teaching you how to handle data safely and defend against outside threats. It's a complete path from potential to protection. So what's the big takeaway from all this? What can you expect as we get ready to dive into the first full explainer of this series? It really boils down to this: 10 focused chapters that make up a complete guide. This isn't just about using some cool new technology. It's about mastering its power in a way that truly honors the deep trust your community has placed in you. It's about empowerment and responsibility, working hand in hand. Which really just leaves us with one final thought. Are you ready to harness this incredible new potential? And are you ready to do it in a way that protects and honors the very people you work so hard to serve every single day? We really hope you'll join us for Chapter 1.